Wala ni piny Kenya ni kod chenro makare mar bero tudruok mag yor mbui kendo neno ni en kod arita makare mar nyayo ohala. Kenya koro yang kaka piny mokwongo e Afrika mabiro bedo kod saba moket kod duol matayo weche mag tudruok e piny mangima ICANN. Ma oyangore bang' romo makende kind jata tije mar ICANN Goman Mabi kod jatend migawo mar weche mag tudruok e Rido Walo kaachiel kod jata tije mar duol ma ochung' ne weche mag tudruok e pacho ka Ezra Chiloba.
Why are you using phones? Why don't you say?
Okay, good. Great.
We're going to launch one of the most critical infrastructure when it comes to internet provision around the world. So ICANN chose to invest in Kenya, setting up one of the critical server systems that allows internet to be available to all citizens around the world. So they chose to set up this infrastructure in Kenya, which for us is really an honor. When you look at the increased capacity or demand for internet across the world, we've seen it growing even in Africa in the last few years, and we expect it to even grow further in the coming years. And this necessitates the need for us to set up critical infrastructure that will ensure consistent, reliable availability of internet for Africa in the coming years.